In this video, we're going to add and subtract matrices. This video is going to cover 3 separate questions, which is a little bit abnormal, but it will go very fast. Adding matrices and subtracting matrices is going to be very, very quick because it is not complicated. The key part here is that you have to have matrices with the same dimensions. So number 1 here, we have 2 different 3-row by 1-column matrices. Our answer is going to also have 3 rows and 1 column. Now my handwriting is a little bit bigger, so I'm just going to erase those for a second. But you're going to have 3 situations. In the top, you're going to have 0 plus 1. In the middle, you're going to have 4 plus negative 9. At the bottom, it's 3 plus 8. All you're doing is adding the same locations together. So the 0 and the 1 are both row 1, column 1. The 4 and the negative 9 are both row 2, column 1. And the 3 and the 8 are row 3, column 1. That's it. That's the whole thing. In number 2, it's a little bit more complicated looking because we have 2 different square 2 by 2 matrices. You are going to end up with a 2 by 2 matrix in this pattern. You are going to take each piece in its corresponding pair, but you are going to have to subtract. So I'm going to have a 3 minus 2 here. That was the top left, so it stays the top left. 3 minus 0 there, top right, stays top right. 9 minus negative 3, and these are the parts where people are going to accidentally make a mistake. There was a minus because that's what's between the matrices, and a negative 3 because there was a negative in the matrix. And then bottom right, I've got a negative 5 minus 5. So my final answer would be 1, 3, 12, negative 10. Oops, that's a bad bracket. That's the entire process. You're just adding or subtracting things. You don't have to worry about them. Now, number 3, you can't do. You cannot add these. And that's basically going to be my answer. The reason you can't add them is because this first one is a 1 by 2 matrix. The second one is a 2 by 2 matrix. I don't have pieces that are going to match up with these bottom 2. And if you make an argument, well, the 9 and the negative 7 could. Well, then you don't have anything that's going to match up with that 1 and that 3. With adding and subtracting, you need to have a corresponding piece at all times. So this one would be no solution, no answer. You cannot add these things together. Have a great day, everybody.